Hi everyone, my name is Sundar Karki and this is my response for news in class test Trauma 3 2025. Today I'm summarizing what I have learned in network and web security from week 1 to week 5 and explaining how these skills apply in real world workplace scenario. First thing, the key concept that I learned. Let's start with what I've learned over past 5 weeks. In week 1, we have covered the basic networking and understanding the OSI and TCP and IP model, IP addressing, how the data flows across the network. This gave me a solid foundation to understand where cybersecurity needs to be placed. In week 2, we have dove into threat landscape. I learned about different style of attack like phishing, email, the trick user malware, the infects system, and DDoS attack that overruns servers. We also discuss social engineering, which is often the weakest link in security. Week 3 focus on defense mechanism. We study firewall, intrusion detection system, and virtual private network tools that protect network from unauthorized access. We also explore eruption protocol like SS and TLS, which keep on our online communication private. In week 4, we turned to web security. We look at OSWAP top 10 critical vulnerability like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and broken authentication. I learned how developer can write safer code and how tools like web application firewall helps these blocks attack. Finally, in week 5, we talked about incident response and best practice. Things like keeping software updated, monitoring log, and having a plan for when an attack happens. It's not just about preventing attacks, it's about being ready to respond quickly and efficiently. Now, how do these concepts apply in real life? Imagine you are in a workplace. You can use your knowledge for firewall and network segmentation to separate sensitive departments like finance or HR. Our general staff that limits damage in our part of the network get compromised. If you are managing a website, even a small business site, knowing about exploit injection helps you to prevent hackers from stealing consumers' data. You would validate users' input and use proof statement and maybe deploy WAF. In workplace, you might train colleagues to spot phishing and email because even the strongest follower won't stop someone from clicking malicious link. That that's where awareness and education sums come in. And if there is a breach, the instant response skill week 5 kicked in. You isolate affect system, collect logs, notify stakeholders, and restore service, all while following company policy and legal requirement for GDPR. These skills are just theoretical. They are used every day by cybersecurity analysts, network engineers, developer, and even manager who needs to make informed decision about risks. To wrap up, first 5 weeks of network security and web security have been given me both technical knowledge and practical awareness. Whether I am securing a home Wi-Fi network or helping protect a company asset, these skills are essential in today's connected world. Thank you for watching. I hope this video meets the requirement. I recorded my face and I'll upload to the YouTube and submit the link in the model in 2 to 3 hours. And have a great day.